We have important updates and important airdrops to talk about in this video, so we jump straight onto the laptop right here and we're talking about the Kim airdrop. Now, Kim airdrop is gonna come really soon on May 6th. So tomorrow we are launching. This is the liquidity hub of the Optimism superchain. If you did participate in it, we are gonna receive the airdrop tomorrow. Otherwise, if you did miss it, over here we see that the Kim claim will be on May 6th. Make sure to turn the notification bell on and subscribe if you missed it, because we did talk about it a couple of months ago already during the testnet and during everything that was going on for the Kim situation at the very early stages. But it is coming tomorrow, so get ready for it. Next up, we got the important NFT of the guild on Zora, the official guild xyz.eth account. Guild is this website over here. If you do not know what we're talking about, it's where you go and do all of the tasks for every different protocol. This is for the ZK Sync era, but they have released an official guild on Zora NFT, marking the partnership between guild and Zora. The link will be down below. Make sure to go and mint it. It is free, only gas fees, 0.0007 ETH. Make sure to go and collect it right now. And if you do not have your funds over onto the Zora ecosystem, you can also farm it with the Arbitrum one. As we see over here, we change networks and we go and mint it together, because it is really important to have this one. And we go and do as such as we see $2.46 to go and mint it. The next one is the Blast as well, the Zora X Blast NFTs, which we have over here. Very important to go and collect it. This one is on a secondary market, so it is a little bit more expensive. It is on the $4.65, but make sure to go and do it. This is the collaboration between Zora and Blast, and the one before this one is the collaboration between Zora and Guild. So two very highly anticipated collaboration, highly anticipated airdrop that will mark a positioning for you to be able for this airdrop with these NFTs. Talking about a possible airdrop, I did receive an airdrop and I did wanted to give it away, but the recipient did not answer. So new entry, it is absolutely free. All you have to do, you will find the link to this tweet down below over here. Make sure to go and like it, make sure to go and retweet it, and make sure to tag friends on it. If you wish to share it, make sure to like and retweet. The most important thing, if you do not want to tag anybody, do not worry about tagging. Like, retweet, and bookmark. Very simple that you gotta do. If you wish to support a little bit extra, you can tag your friends or simply comment anything. Comments nice, comment congratulations, comment anything that you want, and the winner will be taken from somebody who likes, retweet, bookmarks this official tweet over here. And it was for the airdrop that I wanted to give away on Patreon, but the winner never responded to my video, so a new winner is gonna be announced very soon. Moving on, we got the beautiful layer 3 situation. Now, this one is something that we haven't talked about yet, and I want to focus on it. Then we're gonna go to the Berachain airdrop as well. And this layer 3 is very important for you to do it. There are so many protocols, and I will leave you the link for these first 2 or 3 that we're talking about down below. Then you can go and explore the situation, but it is a extremely useful product if you want to go and interact with every protocol on a daily basis, doing the bare minimum and the easiest, cheapest, and less expensive task that you can do. Here we got the scroll one, for example. This allows us to interact with the scroll protocol to then go and receive the airdrop. And it was about the scroll sprint, hold Ethereum on scroll, which basically you are already doing. So most of them are tasks that you already are doing it or have already done it. For example, hold Ethereum on scroll, collect the rewards. We have this one over here for the layer 3 situation that it was over on the quest, which one is, for example, this one on Linea, DeFi on Linea, swap on Linea, which we have already done it, provide liquidity on Linea, which we have already done it, and then it was just left to claim the rewards. But there are many others, as we see over here. Once you go and sign up through the link down below, make sure to come in and explore everything. A lot of them, as I said, you have done it. Go based on the protocol, whether it's Base, ZK Sync, Arbitrum, Solana, Polygon, whichever you want. For example, we go to ZK Sync, we have different one. I completed a few, not all of them, but you can go and check more about it. Maybe you completed some that you do not have yet. For example, this one, Bridge on Jumper. We did already Bridge on Jumper in the past. And you see, I'm not even doing anything and it is already there. So the possibility you then bridge on layer 3 bridge, which is this one over here that you need to go and utilize as well. But a lot of the missions, a lot of the tasks that they are requesting you to go and do it, potentially you have done it as well. This one I've done it, and simply by doing nothing, by talking to you and going to check a few things on ZK Sync, because I know I utilize the ZK Sync ecosystem, I have already received a reward. Here it is a little bit of gas fees, not many, but you have the possibility to the rewards. You're collecting cubes, which cubes is the point system that layer 3 has to go and provide you with an airdrop. You're going up in levels, you have the cube rewards, etc. So make sure to go and simply check out everything, because it is really simple. Potentially some of them you have done it, potentially will done those one as well. Swap with autos, I do not believe I've done this one, to be honest, but you can go and swap it in the process if you got funds. Otherwise, bridge them over with jumper. Oh, there we go, done this one as well. You see how many you find. So make sure through the link down below to go and check all of these transactions, spend a little bit here. Most of them are free, or most of them you've already done it, so you're not even spending money. And make sure to go and do it, collect cubes, and make sure to go and do everything that you need. Click a few buttons and you will be good to go. This one, let me see, done as well, this one. So we're gonna go and mint over this protocol as well. Mint failed insufficient Ethereum base. I will go and swap it later, but make sure to go and check it out for yourself, because it is proof. I missed it. You missed it. Let's go and earn this airdrop together. Talking about Berachain, which we all know, this is the Berachain.com website, and it was the one that we used to go and interact with the protocol. Still do it, because the airdrop is around the corner. They're getting funds, they're getting a lot of money in funding. Make sure to come here, utilize the dApps and swaps, etc. But we know this one, we talked about it. Swapping, providing liquidity, minting, all of that we know. Just remember to keep on doing it. What you need to do is the link down below will take you to this one. This is the faucet of the OX Honey Jar website, and there are, as we see here, 3 different live missions that you need to go and do. And it is very important. I've completed 2 of them. I am missing the last one, which ends in 11 hours. So by the time you're looking at this video, it is a Sunday. Make sure to go and take 10 minutes of your day to utilize all of this protocol to go and as well mint the guild on Zora, the blast on Zora, and check out all the layer 3 missions that you can for every single protocol that you can do it. Make sure also to go and check this one over here, because this one is all on a free testnet, so there's nothing to worry about, there's no fees to worry about. It is a protocol that is coming very, very soon. And what this gives, it's gonna give you transaction, it's gonna give you entitlement to transaction within your meta chain, your MetaMask wallet. You have events, you have faucets. So this is an official website of the Honey Jar. You got collection, you got NFTs, you got different badges that you need to go and pick up as well. So definitely come and check it out. Make sure to know, to look around, go onto the events, go onto the faucet, check you got a friend in me, the Uga Buga ticket, the Angry List legislation, and just literally click on everybody, switch network, for example, this one, and we're gonna go to the Berachain testnet. So all of this one, all the minting and everything, this one, for example, has ended. This one, it could be another minting that I am not eligible. So once again, come here and check out potential prizes, potential distribution, raffles, the tickets, the Angry List registration, and come over to the quest and you will see this page. Once you are here, view quest, as you see, you have all of these different quests. A lot of them have ended. I've done a few of them out of not knowing about it, but keep in mind also this website, keep it into consideration, because it is, or it does seem very important, and there's a lot of people talking about it over on the Twitter pages, that this one, as well as interacting regularly. And how do you interact regularly? Well, you simply go over here, for example, on the BEX, and it is a swapping system for the Berachain token. To receive the Berachain token, click over here on the top on the faucet. You will be redirected to the faucet. Simply go and copy your token address over here. You will be able to drip token. Oh no, currently experience high traffic. Okay, then just give it time until they have the possibility to do it. But if you already have it, go to the swap tokens. You will see the different tokens that you have. You have the Honey, you have the A Honey, and all of them. So simply go and utilize a little bit, for example, like this. 1-to-1 approve Honey, and then you will be able to go and do the swap. So do it regularly, doing it on a regular basis, but as well as this one, go and do all the other things such as the station, the hub, and all of this, which we did already cover in a full-on dedicated video for the Berachain ecosystem, the lending, the perpetuals, which I think I haven't done actually the perpetual, which I will go and do very, very soon. But also here, you do the swaps, you approve the Honey, and you do everything that you need to do. Perpetual, you can start trading, for example, with the market. Also over here, the quantity, the leverage, simply put a 9x and you go and approve the Honey and you're good to go. So make sure to interact everything, but if you have missed it, make sure to do this missions over here that we find on this website, which is very, very important. With that said, thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you did enjoy today's video. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this. And of course, 2 videos a day. Today's Sunday. We're working, we're grinding every day. I will see you all tomorrow morning on a Monday for the next video. Thanks for watching and see you.